if there isn't a photo, it didn't happen, right? But I think then an elephant hugged me when I was a little girl. This is Algorithm Bait about nostalgia. Recently, I went searching for this photo again, this hug that I've been holding in my head for over decades. I found a different photo. It was me sitting stiffly atop an elephant. There was no hug, there was no magic, just me with this tourist trap smile. But if it didn't happen, then why do I have all of this stuff? This is the first elephant I drew. It was a scrawny little drawing on a scanned page, and it's a pretty terrible drawing. But hey, we all do think yesterday was beautiful. I do. Then came the elephant from the music video for Good Night by the Light Years Explode. This was made at a time when for me memory felt like something that I couldn't set down. So in this case, the elephant carried it for me. I was sad when I couldn't find the photo, but the photo stopped mattering and the elephant became the proof itself. This is an elephant in a salsa bar, but I think that it was at this time when there was a teenage blur and I was growing up too fast, and I think neither me nor the elephant should have been at a bar. There's something romantic for me about stamping things as your own, so the idea of having a book plate was really cool to me. The same elephant then became animated reading in the rain. So, kyrosclerosis is that slippery moment when joy disappears the moment that you notice it. I'm sorry. I think I just made you notice it. There was an elephant that didn't even appear visually. It showed up as rage in an episode of my podcast, Apocalyptic.
A news report informed us that the last elephant was dead. Some people had stuffed a pineapple with a firecracker and fed it to the poor, trusting creature. I felt a flash of rage and I wanted them to die. That's when I noticed the crack in the wall. It was a baby void, and it had the voice of a happy, unassuming toddler.
You should do arson.
Hey, it's just something I wrote. I wouldn't even hurt a fly. Look at me. I'm pining over some elephant from the past right now. When the pandemic arrived, I created this little baby elephant, a soft, small creature against the world, and the world was cracking open at the edges. And all of this stuff, it all built up to this crazy release of pressure. The internet runs on the images that you take, but memory runs on the ones that we make. And so, even if they say